Hi, in this video I'm going to go ahead and go through the basics of creating a page. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to facebook.com/pages/create.php, and you'll get to this page here, and then you'll want to choose what type of page you want to create. For the most part, you're going to want to create a brand or product, unless you're a local business. But for the most part, I would choose brand or product, and then in the drop-down menu, I would scroll down and hit website. This is the safest thing, and this is what I recommend. Then hit agree and just go ahead and name your brand or product and click get started. Okay, I'm just going to skip through these steps because I want to do them actually on the timeline. I think it'll be better. So now we're at our admin panel, and I recommend if this is the first time you're creating a page that you go through these tutorials, and basically they're just going to let you know and they're going to guide you through the whole thing. And I highly recommend that you do read through everything. Now here at the top is your admin panel, and this is a basic video, but in a later video I'll go through more details on all the stats you receive here, but this is really important. You really get a lot of insight. But for now, let's go ahead and start by just uploading a profile picture. So I'm going to upload a photo from my computer. So let's go ahead and add a cover. Now the cover has to be 851 pixels wide and 315 pixels in height. Now, if you add it, they will help you crop it, but what I recommend is going ahead and making the picture look good before you go ahead and add it. I'm going to upload a photo from my computer, and then after you upload it, you can position it. Mine's already fit perfectly, so I'm just going to go ahead and save the changes. So that's the basic. Now what you need to do is go ahead and add some information here. So that's what I recommend you do. Then you go ahead and just edit. Now what I would do is I would try to fill out as much information as you can. It's very important if you're promoting your own product or your business that you leave a website. You have websites there, so because they will be clickable. So that's very important. Definitely have the about, and basically put as much information as you can. The more the better, and definitely add your website. Now another thing that I highly recommend is every image you upload, you add a description, and in the description you put your website. So whatever the description is, and then you put your website, whatever you're promoting. This way there's links on all your images. So any image you upload, you go ahead and you add a description and you put a URL. You add a line of description and then with a URL to an external website. And that's also goes for when you're posting on your timeline. So there's a few things you could do here now on your timeline. You can add a milestone. So this is pretty cool. So you just click on milestone after. First thing you have to add the year. Okay, and then you save. Now you can add a milestone. So it could be almost anything. So this is pretty cool, and you could even choose a photo. So example. So this is kind of like a title. That's the way I would think about it. And then here in story is kind of like the body of like an ad. And then I highly recommend that you upload a photo, or you choose a photo you already have. I'll just choose a photo I already have here. And then you just click save. And there you go. There's your milestone. So you see it's very big. It's very hard to miss if someone goes onto your timeline. Now what I recommend in the description, like everything else, is you have a description and then you put again a URL to an external website. Again, you're always promoting outside of Facebook to promote whatever your offer is, your business. So that's the basics on creating a page. I will provide more links and videos how to optimize your page and basically the best practices. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.